Picking by delivery. The multi-TO transaction, as discussed earlier, is also used to execute picking for a delivery. Our solution comes with multiple ways of picking for a delivery, which can be customized and categorized as different workloads according to the requirement and workflow to be followed. Material master data is also set up according to the process we want to use for picking the material. In our example, the user selects Delivery Pick to Cart option, where the items are first picked onto a cart and later dropped off at a staging area for shipment. This allows us to pick multiple orders in a single trip through the warehouse, thereby improving picking efficiency. The deliveries which are ready for picking are listed along with the number of open TOs. A filter can also be applied on a field, for example, filtering by a customer so that all deliveries for a particular customer is picked first. Select the workload to be picked and click on the Add button to display the number of documents added and the total number of items to be picked to the cart. Now clicking on the Start button will display the next screen with the TO details. Now we can take a look at the stock in the source bin of this transfer order in SAP. We see that the total stock is 31. The user now scans or selects the TO number. Now the pick storage unit or the cart is entered or scanned. In the confirmation screen, we first require the operator to confirm the source bin. Followed by the material number, the target quantity, and finally the pick SU or the cart. Whenever the requested value matches the entered value, the fields on the screen turn green. If values do not match, they will turn red. The TO is now confirmed. Now let us look at SAP Stock Overview. We can now notice that the quantity has reduced by 1 in the source bin where we picked from. The items are now picked to the cart or pick SU successfully. We print a pick label with the SU and delivery information at this point and add it to the box. Then the items need to be dropped off in the holding area. After reaching the holding area, the user now scans the parking bin to confirm the drop-off. The items were dropped off successfully in the holding area. These items should now be moved to the staging area by a material handler. Now, a material handler or a warehouse personnel notices the item in the holding area and executes the internal transfer workload to move them to the staging area before packing. During packing, the pick label present in the box can be scanned in order to identify the storage unit and the delivery information that the item is being packed for. Select the transfer order to proceed with the confirmation. Now the pick SU or the cart is first scanned. Followed by the target quantity, and finally the destination bin. Again, the scanned or entered values need to match the values on the transfer order and turn green. This completes the transfer to the staging area to be picked for packing. We also get a confirmation message that the transport order was successfully confirmed.